Hey, Carol Church here. We are out here at Lake Cooley Park in Spartanburg County, South Carolina. It's located in Inman, South Carolina. This is a beautiful park. I just had to show it off. Beautiful lake with the mountains in the background. This is my first time here, so I'm kind of excited, okay? They do have a lot to offer out here. They have a boat ramp, community center, fishing, a grill, plenty of parking, as you can see, picnic shelter over here with a little grill that you can cook out, restrooms down there. You can kayak out here. There's a kayak launch. There's a playground, paddleboard. You can paddleboard out here. In fact, they're going to have paddleboard rentals from June 1st through September the 3rd. Boating out here is regulated by SJWD Water District, and it does require a permit. The park hours are from sunrise to sunset. So Mike, pan around and just look at this cute little playground over here. Again, we're out here at Lake Cooley Park in Inman, South Carolina. So cute. You got the sheltered area, the playground, bathrooms, and then this gorgeous lake. Oh my goodness. Now we are just the first week in March, so it's still considered winter time here in South Carolina, so nothing is really green yet, but it's coming, okay? Probably the end of this month, okay? It'll be spring. In fact, we're already seeing flowers, tulips and such pop up, so spring is very close by. This will be
Lake Cooley is a reservoir located in Spartanburg County near the town of Inman, South Carolina. It's popular for fishing, boating, and picnicking. The lake is managed by the Spartanburg Water System and covers about 330 acres. It's located on the Jordan Creek, and the lake feeds into the North Tiger River upstream of the North Tiger River Reservoir. SJWD owns Lake Cooley, and the park is located at 100 Cooley Dock Road. It's operated by the Spartanburg County Parks Department. The park includes dual access boat ramp and a handicap access dock and kayak launch. In addition, there is a fishing pier, playground, 2 restroom facilities, and parking for approximately 50 vehicles and trailers. There are some picnic shelters that are available for rent. There are currently no power outlets at these shelters. And I will have some links below with some more helpful information. The fish that you will find in this lake are catfish, crappie, largemouth bass, and spotted bass. There is currently no swimming allowed. This lake is very busy in the summertime, you can imagine. There is also a summer adventure camp for ages 10 through 15 years. If you're enjoying this video and would like to see others like it, please subscribe to our channel, and we thank you very much. See you next time.